Using Stripe as a payment gateway facilitates secure online transactions for businesses of all sizes. Here's a guide on how to use Stripe effectively. Set up your Stripe account. Begin by signing up for a Stripe account on their website. Complete the registration process and verify your email. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Integrate Stripe. Choose the appropriate integration method for your platform. Stripe offers plugins, APIs, and SDKs for various e-commerce platforms, websites, and mobile apps. Follow the integration instructions provided by Stripe documentation or the specific platform you're using. Configure settings. In your Stripe dashboard, configure essential settings such as currency preferences, payment methods, and security settings. Ensure your business information and bank account details are up to date. Create payment forms or buttons. Depending on your integration method, you may need to create payment forms or buttons to embed on your website or app. Customize these forms with options for customers to input payment details and specify purchase information. Perform test transactions. Before going live, use Stripe's test mode to simulate transactions and ensure everything is functioning correctly. Test various scenarios such as successful payments, failed payments, and refunds. Go live. Once you're satisfied with the testing, switch your Stripe account to live mode. Your website or app is now ready to accept real payments securely through Stripe. Monitor transactions and analytics. Regularly monitor your Stripe dashboard for transaction activity, analytics, and reports. Use this data to optimize your payment processes and track your business's financial performance.